Oh, they both landed it.
But this one did a front flip versus a front flip. I'll see if they can do a back flip. Back flip. Oh, back flip land.
Oh.
This guy did a back flip land, but that guy didn't. The ants. The ants. I said it. Oh, that was pretty cool. Oh my god, that.
Rosie, go up inside, wipe your face off, okay? You can go, Grandma? Yogurt face.
Oh!
Oh, wow, that was sick.
Ready for this? Oh, that was actually not pretty hard. Oh, almost a one wheel wheelie. Pop, Daddy,
outside.
Ooh, that was
so close.
Sick. No, that was cool. That landed it, but it landed it and then it went over.
Oh!
On one wheel and let's see if they can do a donut. I was spinning in the world and then land. Oh, that guy. Oh, that guy did. Let's see, this guy can do a rollover.
Watch your sister.
Oh, that was cool though. Very cool. Very, very cool. Let's see if it can like do a jump off this. If wheel button didn't fly. It didn't go over, but oh my god, that didn't jump. Like Daddy, I think this one can.
Hot? The metal sign?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What metal sign?
I don't know if she was talking about that. She might have touched the plant and it's sharp, so she might just be saying hot.
Dad, I think it can land it.
It's not that sharp.
Oh, it didn't front flip.
It's just aloe vera. Where'd it go?
Gonna break these?
No.
It's broken.
Oh, little mud
This is a
rocks.
big piece. Yeah. Now this is the wheeler. Let's see if this can do like this to this. Backwards versus frontwards. Oh!
Whoa.
Mini Blue Thunder won.
They both did. That team is doing good together.
Yeah, team, but not Filter 14. Filter 14 needs to step it up, boy. Let's see.
Rosalie,
You can land like this.
what are you doing?
Daddy! Daddy!
Pocket, what's up?
Watch. Video of this. Ooh.
Ooh.
That was in a nose wheelie and then a front flip. What about this? Oh!
That'll land it, but it didn't.
It went on his wheel. Oh! That was sick.
That was sick.
It-
Wow.
I thought I was not going to win, but these two lost. This guy won, and this guy won.
Ooh, excuse me.
So True Fortune has to step it up. Wait. They're all going to go together, but one of them has to stay on there. Backwards. This
Say
is
hi to the doggy.
Frontwards versus backwards. Daddy, Daddy wants.
Yep.